Welcome to MTHFR support. In this video, we will be introducing the Excipient report. The Excipient report is a popular genetic report for understanding what substances, including drugs, chemicals, and food properties, work with and/or against your genes. With the Excipient report, you can use your 23andMe, Ancestry, and many other raw data genetic files to create the Excipient gene report with over 1,000 plus genes. With this powerful report, you can gain significant insights to your genetic mutations with how various excipients have an effect on your well-being. Excipients are substances added to food products, drugs, medications, and nutritional supplements to enhance their physical and chemical properties. Food excipients can include preservatives, flavor enhancers, and nutrients, and are used to improve the flavor, texture, appearance, or nutritional value of food products. The problem with excipients is that many people cannot tolerate them because of their gene mutations and can react in many ways negatively when excipients are consumed. Often people can experience a wide range of symptoms from consuming excipients, making it hard to understand what they did wrong to cause their reaction. Symptoms of excipient reactions include skin rashes, gastrointestinal issues, and breathing problems. These reactions can be confused with allergic reactions or intolerances. Excipients can cause almost any negative response by influencing your immune system, such as in mast cell activation. Additionally, excipients can interact with neurotransmitters influencing how you feel and behave emotionally, such as in anxiety, depression, ADHD, affecting the nervous system such as panic attacks, and even cause functional problems such as heartbeat regulation, sleep function, digestive function, and mood dysregulation. When you purchase the Excipient report, the report is easily downloaded from Sterling's app, and you can save it as a PDF file. The best place to work with your variant report is inside of Sterling's app, because you can interact with the report using the tag search and SNP search. However, using the report on its own is also very useful because of the amount of data available and your ability to quickly look up areas of interest to your health. The Excipient report is a breakdown of all the genes that were tested by your Ancestry provider. The Excipient report breaks up your genes into usable data. For example, in this report, there are 76 pages of genetics and any gene mutations you may have for each of the excipients listed. The first thing to note is that your Excipient report shows your genes in 3 colors. The green genes mean there is no mutation. A yellow gene is considered a heterozygous gene mutation, and a red gene is considered a homozygous gene mutation. Often a yellow or heterozygous gene mutation is considered a half copy. That's why you will see a plus-minus sign beside it, while a red or homozygous gene mutations can be considered as a double copy with a plus-plus sign beside it. The next important part of the report is the heading topics. These headings in blue tell you what the genes you are looking at are associated with. As you can see, the first topic heading covers 2-phenoxyethanol. When you see that you have multiple gene mutations in 2-phenoxyethanol, you can use this information to determine if you may respond badly to this particular excipient, which in this example is a preservative and solvent. As you can see, it's easy to navigate when you use the Bookmark tab to exposure the titles of each excipient and click on those of interest to you. Looking through the Bookmark section and all the titles, choose an excipient of interest to you. You will note that there is many ways to view these results. For example, when there is many mutations associated with a particular excipient, it can be considered to be either a problem to consume and/or your ability to use the substance is hampered because of the gene mutations themselves. This can lead to a deficiency in some cases. When an excipient leads to a deficiency, it means that that substance may build up in your body, causing a situation where the excipient becomes a burden to your body and how it works, acting like an inhibitor to other nutritional or biological functions. In this report, you can see L-glutamine, an essential amino acid, is needed by the GAD1 genes. However, with so many mutations present, it's less likely that this person will be able to use the L-glutamine, which will cause 3 problems. 1. They will not be able to use their L-glutamine so it can build up and become a burden. 2. This person will likely not make enough calming neurotransmitter because the genes with mutations can't use enough L-glutamine. 3. Supplementing L-glutamine would likely cause this person's symptoms to become worse. In another related example, you will note that if this same person consumed monosodium glutamate, also known as MSG, a food additive, they would also respond badly and be likely to avoid MSG food for fear of a reaction. This explains why some people tolerate MSG, while other people would experience a diverse set of symptoms like anxiety, panic attacks, and/or an immunity allergic type reaction. While the Excipient report is easy to use, especially inside Sterling's app, we do recommend getting assistance from a practitioner who understands epigenetics and nutrigenomics.